The key to increasing your real estate website traffic is by having people sharing your content on social media. So today we're going to learn how to add social sharing icons in our real estate website. And even if your website is not real estate related, this tutorial and walkthrough is also for you. So in your WordPress editor, go to plugins and search for social sharing. And then look for social sharing plugin, Sassy Social Share by Theme Header. So click install and activate your plugin. And then after the plugin has been installed, go to manage plugin. And then in the sidebar, look for Sassy Social Share. And then you see a loads of tabs here. So in the theme selection, you can change the shape of your social icon. So we have here Facebook icon in rectangle, square and round. And then you can change the color of the logo, background color, the border, and also the counter position. So the counter, you can put it on the inner right, inner bottom, inner top, inner left. And then you can also float your social icons. So when it's float, you can set it to a rectangle, square or round. And then you can change the size, border, logo color, background color, and also the counter positions when the icons are floating. And then once you have made your changes, click Save Changes. Then go to the Standard Interface tab. So here you can enable Standard Sharing Interface and you can change the title to your social sharing. So we're going to change the title to Share It. And then you can rearrange the social icons here. And you can select the sharing services. And then you can also add in more social icons which are related to your post and website. So we're going to rearrange the icons here. And then you can position the icons to be at the top of your content or bottom of your content. And the placement also to be in the home page, posts, pages, categories, attachments, and so forth. And then you can show the share counts and whether it's by total shares, and you can enable more icons. And then once you're done, click Save Changes. And this is how floating social sharing icons and standard social sharing icons look on your WordPress post and website. Thanks for watching and like this video and subscribe to this channel to stay tuned for more